This is a 1980s Trane Executive high-efficiency Weathertron heat pump running in heat mode. That one was running a couple minutes ago, but just shut off. And then these two are both XE1000 heat pumps. It's in the 30s right now. And I think that one, the XE1000 right there, and this Executive Weathertron might have frost on the coils, but they're not running right now, so yeah. Yeah, I don't think it's going to defrost tonight. Alright, I am off to the carry around one. And also there are two York air conditioners up there, not running. Alright, out. The carrier round one was not running, but here is a heat pump that I've gotten a video of defrosting before. It is a 2005 Goodman, and it is kind of frosty. There's even like a little coating of frost building up on the cabinet. Yeah, this is the one I got defrosting last time. Packs of Marlboro cigarettes down there. People are slobs. See if it defrosts. And what year is this one from? It's either 2005 or 2003. I think it might be 2005. A lot quieter than my grandmother's. Probably a 10-seer. Yeah, this one is definitely frozen. There it goes. There is a lot of ice on this, so this should give us a steam show. There's the reversing valve. This thing has got a big compressor. This is probably like a 5-ton. Oh, there it goes. It's steaming. I think. Is it steaming? Oh yeah, it's steaming. Yeah, it's steaming. Sometimes it's so cold out, I can't tell the difference between the steam from the heat pump and my own breath. But in this case, it's the steam from the heat pump. Oh, there it goes. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.